Okay, so welcome back everybody. Let's talk about update video for the best forex trader out there as I am aware of. ITS forex trader or FP 1000 V2. This is their strategy, what they using. Okay, let's see how much money they made this week, how much money we lost, we made, what's happened, and how you can join this amazing trader. Why I love them? Because the market is very crazy for the last couple of days and they did not trade today. Okay, that's why. Okay, that's why I love them. This is not a traders who going just to try to trade and to make money and then lose a lot of money, because the market is going up and down. If there are any kind of data coming up, some new employment, like any interest rate going up and down, when they know the market is going to be crazy, they're not trading. Okay, and that's respect, to be honest. Now also understand that your money are not locked. This is forex trading, this is not crypto. Okay, this is forex trading. You join this platform right here. Make sure you watch my video how to join step by step, what is very important. Also ask me in the DM in my Telegram group, so I will send you the link. And because there are a couple of links you need to press and you need to follow the rules step by step if you want to join. Now before we go to the video, just understand that your money are not locked here. Again, you can withdraw anytime you want. And also the main stuff is you need to understand, disclaimer, that I am not giving any financial advice. This is trading in this video, okay? And you can lose all your money. This is risky stuff. Only put risk capital. Now if you never watch any of my video, more you give, more you receive, I'm not sure what you're doing. Shame on you. Go and watch. It's mean the world to me. So if you want to join, make sure you open the PDF file or just step by step, just follow the links in the description below this video and just follow my video what I did, how to join step by step. The main stuff is when you open, you need to KYC. Okay, that's very important. You open right here and you add this code. Okay, right here when you opening, going to ask you where you refer by a partner, click yes, 23234. Okay, when you open your account, make sure it's in euro. You deposit your euro, you send your documents for verification, voila, you are registered. Once you do that, it's going to take you, for me it's take me an hour to get verified, 30 minutes to send the money and everything in an hour, and then it's take me 10 more minutes to join the copy trader link. Okay, what is the second link around right here, around right there. Okay, so if you go there to their Telegram group, you will see this guy says, okay, in the month of August, the operation of the ITS Forex. So they have ITS Forex 250 strategy ITS Forex 1000 and ITS Forex 1000 V2. So this is where we copy paste them. I'm going to try to join 1000 also because they did 3.5% today, and that's more bot trading. Okay, now here they say due to the holidays, low market liquidation, and very unpredictable high valuation, our traders will decide to operate only when they see it's appropriate. And I need to admit, okay, Wednesday was crazy day. Monday these guys did, let's go to the Telegram. Monday they did, let me see, Monday was what was Monday? Monday was 7th of August, okay, and they did around 4% forex. There we go. Okay, this is August 7th, is right here. They did 6% profit on Monday, 6% profit on forex. That's crazy. And on Tuesday they did 4% profit, so that's 10.5, around 11% profit. Wednesday they lost -5, and we end up, and today and Thursday, yesterday was 0, and today they did not trade because market was just crazy. Wednesday and Thursday we were so lucky, we end up just -5 on Wednesday, and you can see for this week we did 6.18%. Of course they're taking some percentage fee here, like a performance fee, and that's okay. So we have around 4.5-5% profit for the week. 5% profit for the week on forex I will take every day, all day long. Okay, so that's why I like these guys. There are a couple of traders, 4 as I'm aware, a couple of Americans, 2 American, 1 Italian and 1 UK. I call them the Italian traders because a lot of Italian community is involved here, but that's the trader Forex 1000 V2. Also, you can see all the trades live in your app. Okay, now if you go down here, Forex 1000, why I like to join them, because they have records since March. Okay, and if I move my face here, you will see they going up and up and up. So they have some bot trading right here. Okay, this is more bot. However, today they did almost 4% profit, and for the week they finished with 8% profit, what is absolutely amazing. But overall, for this year, since they start, they made 120 profit. If you compare that with the Forex 1000 V2, what I'm following, with all of us following, they did profit of 200%, and this is only for 50 days. And you will see here they have, since day number 1, okay, they have one big red candle, so I believe this is minus 15%. They recover after 3 days, and we have small red candle, well, that's around minus, I believe, 1%, 1.5. They recover 2 days, even more. In 2 days they recover double, triple, and we have a red candle around minus 4%. What we lost on this Wednesday was minus 4%, and I hope we're going to have a couple of green candles in the next week if they do the trading, or wherever they do the trading. So that's why I ape, okay, and that is my strategy. I put some money and I'm happy bunny here. Okay, leave it the money, hopefully will double in 3, 4, 5 weeks time. Take my profit out my investments and just play with bank money. Now, next thing when I want to join is will be these guys 1000, as I mentioned. However, I need to find out how to join, because there's a couple of tricks you need to add. Okay, that's about it for these amazing traders. Again, this is Forex. Your money are not locked. You can withdraw any time you want. Make sure you do not withdraw when you have open trades, and you don't put more capital when you have open trades. So do that at night, or do it Saturday or Sunday. Again, if you want full video step by step how to join, make sure you watch my videos. There we go, videos right here. If you go, make sure you watch Best Forex Trader right here, okay, step by step, and that was created 8 days ago. Okay, everything is explained there. If you want to join, minimum is 500 euro. Again, thank you so much for watching, subscribing, leave me a comment, let me know what you think, or if you have any other Forex traders who you really like them, share with me, maybe we can have a look together. Thank you, have a great day, God bless, and stay good, stay positive, enjoy the weekend.